So I came out of work today. It's 93 degrees, right? Unlock the door with the key, with the new key. Turn the key in the socket. Car started up right away. So this is again August 8th. And I don't know. It seems like the key, having a new key, might be the issue, might be the solution. The RFID chip in the other key went bad. I don't know how that is even possible, but I guess it is possible because it's happening. I don't know, but just stand by. You never know. Maybe by the end of the day or tomorrow, or I got a long drive tomorrow, I'll have another reason why it's not starting, but hopefully it just works. Thank God. One thing today I did not, another variable that could be considered is today I did not turn on my air conditioning. Today I didn't turn on the fan. I didn't turn the fan or the air conditioning on all day today. So could that be a part of it? Who knows? I'm gonna be using my AC when I'm on the way home. And we'll see if that's the issue. If that's the issue, then I need to check my AC clutch. Maybe I need to change my AC clutch. Maybe something's up with that or something. I don't know. Maybe I need to disconnect the fuse for the AC. Or if it's the fan, some people say there's water in the area near the fan for them, but I don't think I have that. I don't know if I have that issue. It could be the fan is, I don't know. So here we go. Typically I leave work and I try to start it, and it gives me a little pushback on starting, but now I'm using a new key, newly programmed key, and things seem to be working okay. But I thought things were working okay yesterday, and then I was unpleasantly surprised. My trunk, my rear hatch, all the connections to the rear hatch are plugged in. My wipers plugged in, the latch is plugged in, the light for the license plate is plugged in. I think that light needs to be changed, if there is a light. But I don't have a rear camera, so, and my rear hatch is manual. It's not actuated. So here we go. Today, the newly programmed key is working. Opening and closing the doors. The car is starting when I want it to start now. But I didn't turn on my AC all day. So stand by. Your solution might just be to reprogram your key if you turn the key and you have a no start. You might just need to turn the key. Get a key. I got it next day off of eBay for $16. Got 2 new keys. They're not cut, but you can gut them out and put the FOB chip in your old remote, or you can put the key in the new remote. It's either way you want to do it. All right, thanks.